Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 103 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we're continuing the rear door. We've got the frame for it. We've got the door itself here as well. The frame for the window obviously will be going on there at some point soon, but not quite yet. First, we've got to prep it and get the rest of the door ready. So we've got, once again, our self-adhesive panels to go around here. So yeah, that's just going to be back to the simple peeling off of the backing paper, revealing strip, getting it slightly curved so it matches the shaping there. That on there and stuck down. I did have to go back and add a little bit of glue to a couple of the previous ones of these. I may have to do the same thing on this. It depends how well it fits on, basically. So that one's going on there. This one's going to go across there. What I'll do before I take the backing off, see about a little bit of bending. It's slightly rounded the bit it's fitting onto. That's going to go on a bit like that, and this one perhaps the same on the other side. The top of it is curved in a little bit more, a bit like that, but a little bit more so. It's nice detailing parts, but it's just a bit of a pain that they're not, pre-shaped. I suppose that would make storage package them a little bit more tricky, wouldn't it? So yeah, there we go. Shouldn't have to complain about doing a little bit of work. It is a model after all. That's going to go up against that end and just follow the curve around, follow the groove around, and get that on the other side. Nice. And the final panel. Back in from that. That will go into the corner there and down there as well. So that now looks quite nice once we've got the window in there. That'll be in there quite nicely. But first of all, we've got one more bit to fit. We've got our grill, which is going to go on there. That one is pre-shaped, because obviously that needs to be. That's going to go on there like that. And that one is held from the inside. It's a little bit nicer than the ones on the front that were held on the outside. We've just got two little screws to put in there. To hold that together. Two, I said, not three. You can go back in there. So that will find the screw hole. There it is. I'll hold that vent panel in place on there. And then we're getting close to having finished this door. Next time we are doing some of the internal and the window part, and then I think we're fitting it very soon. So yeah, that's that. It's coming along. So join me for the next issue very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.